guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel again! And I hope you're doing good today and advance Merry Christmas to both of you guys! So today's video I'm going to share with you guys is unboxing. And today's video is a little bit mixed yung ating unboxing kasi the items that we are going to open is from different stores. So it's a mix, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's begin! So ayan, guys, let's begin on my online item. This is the Lululemon. So mabilisan lang to, guys. Ayun. Okay, this is a Jogger jeans and I choose this color. So here is the Jogger pants. So ito na siya, guys. So maganda siya, guys. So, dito sa baba, guys, is garterized siya. Kasi, sometimes, pag nag-jogging kami, mas easy to wear. So, ayan, dito, guys, sa baba is meron siyang zipper to make it bigger. So, you can open this side by side. Meron siyang pocket. The pocket has also a zipper. Inside, guys, is there's another pocket. It's a small pocket. Here is another pocket. Here, guys. The same as the other side. It has a zipper. And this time, guys, this other side it has no secret pocket. Just like that. A little review na rin ating unboxing. So I got this. The next one is I got another sleeping wear from Costco, guys. I got my sleeping wear. This one is Nautica. This is I think $12. They are sale. So this one is the color I choose. So that is the one from Costco, and another one is 32 heat long sleeve scoop neck. So this one is good for winter, guys. So wear this first and then you can wear more clothes outside or layers. So you can feel comfortable on winter and you don't feel so much cold. This is to make your body warm. So I got white and gray again. Gray is my favorite color, as you can see, guys. Next unboxing is we got the bed sheet set. There's a duvet cover and a pillow cover. I choose this color because I like it. So white is beautiful on beds. I like white on beds. So this one is the pillow cover, 2 pieces. It has a button 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a 2 pillowcase, and this is the duvet cover. Yeah. This is the duvet cover, guys, or the comforter cover, and it's the same. It has buttons on the ends. So this one is the duvet cover and 2 pieces pillow cover. Next item from Ikea is we got a salad bowl. It's a salad bowl and it's made from bamboo. So mahilig gabi kumain ng salad, so I need this. The prices, guys, you just check on my description below. I'm going to put on my description below all the prices. So this is a salad bowl. It's so nice. From Ikea. So next one, guys, is this one. It's a laundry bag. It's a laundry basket. I got this small one because I just need it for, it's good for undies, brasier, and the socks. So that's it, guys. We have already the big one for everything. So this one is for a small thing. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you like my video, and thank you so much again for watching, guys. See you again next time. Bye.